I'm Kevin with Grand Trunk, and today I'm going to show you some features of our tree sling with tree protector. First thing you need to do, pull it out of the bag, and there's going to be one set, two of these. The tree protector is already through all the rope, so all you need to do, very similar to the trunk straps, take your rope, wrap it around the tree. Try to get this tree protector part around the bark so it protects the bark. So after you wrap it around the tree and have the webbing around the bark of the tree, take this end, loop it through the other end, and pull tight. Now it comes with 5 pre-knotted anchor points. If you needed to add another one, it's super simple. All you need to do is just do a simple overhand loop, and you can make another hammock. So depending on your ideal hammock hang, this is adjustable for that.